Volkswagen Golf GTI. If you're looking to replace the alternator, there's 4 large bolts that hold it on. So you can see here the headlight's been removed, bumper on this particular car. It gives you a little bit of a better idea where the bolts are. So you can see there are 2 right at the top of the alternator, quite long, and they thread right into the block, right underneath the oil filter. And then down below, there are actually 2 more. I can get a better angle for you here. You can kind of see there. There you go. There's 2 more bolts right at the bottom there. So there's 4 bolts total that hold on the alternator. Once you have those removed, there's a couple cables in the back, and you should be able to pull that right off. But I just want to give you an idea where the tricky ones are, and how many of them you have to remove. But I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.